Hello, YouTube. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Well, this is an entertainment purposes only. It's not a recommendation to buy or sell any equity. Well, what is going on here is what I call the VISL trade. Well, I've been on this trade for a long term, but however, I have been monitoring this trade. Okay, we got a few news that actually came out, like VISL Link partnering with NEP Group for racing series production. They also got a deal with Europe, Europe, and also the CEO actually bought 17,000 shares of his own company, and also the issue with Minnesota curfew. Okay, these are more like for catalyst towards this stock. Next one is the issue of approval, okay, of drones. Okay, it says Federal Aviation Administration says new rules take effect today, which is on the 21st, allowing small drones to fly over people. So don't be worried, don't be mad if you see a drone flying over you when you're in a swimming pool or something, all right? Or when you're in your backyard, and you have drone flying all over you. So just know that the rules actually took effect. Okay, so for VISL, I do like this stock. I've been holding this stock. I have thousands of position on this stock, and I'm anticipating a $5 level of profit target. Okay, that is what I am expecting on this trade. I've been calling this stock out since it was like $2.30, and right now we actually close at $2.81. So for this stock, if you're looking at the daily, let's go back 1 year. If you're looking at daily, we actually consolidated and then push through the 200 moving average, pull back to test it, and then push higher to $5.53. So some of my 1,000 shares are actually let them go around this area because we just couldn't break the $5 level. So I held the rest because right here I bought around this area actually. So don't be mad at me, okay? So the stock actually pulled back down to test the 200 spot, and then I added some more position to the to my stock, which actually brought my average up a little bit, but that's fine. And then we pushed higher. We couldn't break this level of resistance, and guess what I did? That remaining position I added, I took those off, and then I was just waiting for this trend to break. But unfortunately, we were actually pushing back down and down, and then we got to this final spot. The final spot is my 200 moving average. This is the definition. This is the spot where I will have to reassess if to add to the position or to get out of my position. Though if the support is holding, I am good. We actually failed the 200 moving average, but we held the support. This is the support looking at the candlestick. Okay, so $2 is your support. We held this level. We didn't break below that level, and then I said, yes, this level is holding. Let me see what we can do. If we can reclaim 200, then I will add to my position. That is exactly what I did. I added to my position, and then the stock just kept pushing higher with all this catalyst news coming out about VISL Link won contract to provide wireless cameras for NEP and all those crap. Okay, so The level I'm watching right now on this, because we just broke out of this 20 simple moving average. Okay, so I'm expecting this trend to break out this trend, hold close above this trend, which we did today. Next level is this my auto what I call the auto trend. This one right here is an auto trend. Okay, so if we can get above $3, we should be able to push higher to $3.50, $4, and my ultimate target of $5 and $5.35 or whatever you see there. So that's what I am looking for on this simple trade. It's not simple because I've been adding, taking off, adding. So however, I do like the fact that we are turning positive. We're breaking this level out, and I'm expecting $3.50 in no time on VISL. Okay, so it is good. If you go on Finviz, let's see what Finviz has to say. On the 20th, Racetech highlights VISL Link as a key contributor to successful festival broadcast. Okay, so that's pretty good. That is amazing. You know, looking at how VISL Link, VISL Link has actually structured themselves in this space. Okay, so I do like VISL Link for a long term. Okay, a long term hold, but I will be taking profit off as it comes. Okay, all these past days we've had VISL Link awarded 4 million US Department of Defense contract and blah 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 blah. That's the one I talked about. VISL Link joins the European Broadcasting Union and all those good stuff. So it is pretty much good. Looking at the shares, we have about shares float of 36 million. Short float is 20%. So that is high. That is a whole lot. So if this gets going, all this short position will be forced to cover their short position, and as they are covering their short position, it means they are going to buy those positions that they sold short back. So as they buy it, it will keep pushing this VISL higher and higher and higher. Let's see what VISL Link is doing after hours here. Let's look at the 1 hour. Oh, let's take a look at the 10 minutes. 10 minutes is good. Okay, well, we're still holding up this level. Okay, this is just form of a resistance around this area. I think we should be able to break this spot on Tuesday. But if we pull back to this 270 area, 269 area, that is our VWAP, which means volume weighted average, and then we'll be able to continue pushing higher. Overall, looking at the 1 hour chart, let's see if we are extended. We are just a tad extended, but we should be all right if it pulls back to that level of support, this trend right here. So have you guys a fantastic day. This is an analysis on VISL. Bye bye.